guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial that is one of my go-to hairstyles for second day, third day hair, or when my hair just is not cooperating. I think it's such a cute way to style your hair and it's perfect for summer.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer,
well, that's it, you guys. Just a simple hairstyle for a day when your hair isn't cooperating, and there's a couple variations. You can leave it like this, you can put a scrunchie in it, you can put a hair scarf in it, you can have your fringe back, you can have more hair down, less hair down. Sometimes they even like to add waves just to give it a little extra something, and it's one of my go-tos. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe in the bubble over here. And if you guys have any questions or just want to leave me a comment, you can do that below. Thanks for watching.